Welcome to Adrice's Kitchen 69, where she's playing with a recipe again. Today, I woke up, had a taste for some salmon cakes. Yes. Except, I'm gonna play with these bag of cheddar chips. I'm gonna crunch them up and make us some salmon cakes. Yes. And while we're waiting, let's have a little cocktail. I'm sipping on some strawberry banana smoothie. Of course, you know I had to put a little champagne in it. Oh, it's so yummy tasty, y'all. And fruity delicious. Okay, I know you want to see the recipe. So I'm working with here, I had these bags of chips that I didn't eat. And it's a cheddar chip. It's kind of flavorful, spicy. So I'm going to use 1 cup of it. Ground it up as best you can. And, of course, 1 can of pink salmon. Some extra virgin olive oil. A little dill weed. And just a pinch of Sneevy's lettuce spice. We put it and use it on everything. It's a nice spices blend. Yum, yum. And I have here chopped up 2 green peppers and 1 green onion. And I'm gonna chop up these 2 cloves of garlic. Let's whisk up this 1 egg. Let's beat it up. Ooh, there we go. And mix together that 1 cup of ground up potato chips. I mean, there's no particular brand that you need to use. It's whatever you have in your cupboard. We're playing with our recipes. Yeah, so I blended the egg and the potato chip together. Now, I'm gonna mix together the salmon and all the other ingredients. I decided to add another egg. So, in this recipe, use 2 eggs. Because I want them to stick better together. Pour it over. Okay. Now let's see how that consistency brings itself together. We just playing with our recipes. I believe whatever you have in your cupboard is the things that you enjoy, you like. You can put them all together and make them so yummy delicious. So now I'm gonna sprinkle, ooh, too much. Probably about 1.5 teaspoons of Sneevy's Love That Spice. And about a tablespoon of dill weed. Mix that together. All right, it's ready for the stove. All All right, I got the fire heating up. I'm gonna coat my grill with a little olive oil, and I'm gonna make some patties, like little cakes. You know, I could have put this in the oven, but it's a nice hot sunshiny day. It's too hot for the oven. But there we go. Yeah, I put me some gloves on because I don't want to mess up my pretty new nails now. That was enough to make 5 little cakes. Yeah, look at that. Oh, they browning up nice. They don't take long to cook, you know. Isn't that pretty? They're gonna be tasty too. They are done. Yes, you let them slow cook. You only had to turn them over one time. I didn't have to turn them over again. Woo! Oh, don't this just look yummy? I've already tasted them. They are so good. Ooh-wee. I'm gonna have mine on a bed of rice and sliced up some fresh garden tomatoes. I probably will put a little peppercorn ranch dressing on top. So look, y'all, go to Some More Products and order some Sneeze. Love that spice. Ooh, we shake and use it on everything. It's just so delicious. And thank you for watching Adrice's Kitchen 6ix9ine, where she loves to play with a recipe. Remember to subscribe, love, and like my channel.